Hello everyone, my name is Motshi Modok. I am from Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited. In this video, we will work with a list. So to understand this, what I will do, I have opened my Spider IDE. So what is list? Now let's imagine you have different values and numbers. Let's say you have a numbers and you have strings. Now if you want to group them together, if you have worked on array in any other languages, right, like C, C++ or Java, we have the same or similar stuff in here, which is a list. Now, here I will use this. It's very simple actually. Let's say I have some numbers. Okay, so we have a variable named it as num equal to. Now here I should have assigning one value. We can assign multiple values as well. Now there is a question, how will I assign multiple values? So let's say 1, 2 in this case. So we need to use a special symbol or special character which is called a square bracket, and with this square bracket we have to enter our values. Let's say enter 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So these values I have entered. Now these are the list of values which I have here. Now you might be thinking, can we only have similar type of values? Because here all these things are number, right? Now let's try that as well. So if I put enter, and to print it just write num. Okay, here is the output we got, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40. And we also know what is string. String is that a collection of characters, and we can pick individual character with the help of index values. So can we do it here? Yes. For example, I want to pick up first value, which is 10. So for this, what I have to write, num, and within third bracket just put the index value. Now if I put enter, I will got the first value. Now if we want to pick up a last value, just write 3, and if I put enter, then I will got the last value. So we have got the first value and last value. Now it's working. In fact, not just the first and last value, we can pick up any value, right? So what if we want to print something in between and till the end? Here I want to print a third to fourth element. So of course we can do that. We can start with 2, which is start with 1, which is start, and I will not put any last value, means till the end it will run. And but before that we have to put a colon to I do the difference, that is this is the start value, and if I something write here, so this will be the end value, but here I am not writing any end value. Now if I put enter, I will got the output, that is from 20, because 20's index number is 1, so till the end, so 20, 30, 40. So what do you think? Can we use negative number, means the index number as negative -1, -2, -3? Yeah, we can do that. So if we want to pick up the last value, so what we will do, num -1. Yeah, we have got this 40. So to pick up the first value, num equal to -4. Yeah, we have got the 10. So how about having a string? Let's add some another list. Let's say fruits equal to, let's add some mango. apple, only 2. Now if I print this, I will see list. So this is a list of a string value. So we can get a different list of different types. So we can create a list of different types. I mean one list and different types. I will simply call it as a values equal to, let's say, write 9.5 comma apple comma 10 comma 100. Okay, now if I print this, we will see the output. So here we have a float value, we have a string value, then these are the integer values, means there is one list and these are the different types. So can we have a two lists working together and something this I want to get another list, which is I want to let's say name is milk equal to num comma values. Now if I print, see the output, means we can got the list and we have a list, and inside this we have two different type lists. This is one list and this is another list. Okay, so amazing thing is that we can perform certain operation because it has certain methods. So before proceed, let's just clear our screen. Okay, so what I have, there are 4 values 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now if I want to append some value, there is one method append, that is num dot append, and within first value let's write 100. Now if I print this, I will got the result, that is 100 in the last. So one thing is list is mutable. Actually it simply means you can change the value. Now there is one another method, that is num dot insert. So but before that, let's understand what's the difference between append and insert. Append will add the value at the end and insert will insert add in the between. So let's say first of all I have to put the index, at which index I want to add, let's say 2, and the value is 77. Now if I print this, see 0, 1, 2 means in second index position I have insert the value, that is 77. Now there are also some methods like remove, pop, all these things. Actually one thing I want to mention, Python has an online documentation. Just search online Python docs and you will get all these things. Now I want to add something, that there is some built-in function. Let's try. One built-in function is minimum. If I write min and within first bracket the list name, if I enter, the minimum value of in this list is 10. Now if I write max and num, if I hit enter, the maximum value is 100. So now there is another, if we write sum and list name, so it will add up all the values in this list present and give us the output, that is 277. Okay, actually there are various built-in functions and there are various methods. Try all of these things by yourself. So that's all for today, my friends. So